Top story first up, news that we're breaking to you here on the bulletin. The UPA will not be let off so easy. The BJP has said it will step up the pressure for a clarification from the government on the issue of Walmart. Walmart, remember, issuing a statement, also speaking to the US Senate and clarifying that they have spent close to 125 crore Indian rupees as far as lobbying is concerned. This to lobby and try and make an entry into India, into the retail segment. The BJP, the left parties also yesterday coming out and saying that they want a clarification, a detailed probe into the matter. Who benefited from these lobbying exercises? Yashwant Sinha to take up the issue in Lok Sabha, and Venkaiah Naidu of the BJP, senior BJP leaders there to take up the issue in Rajya Sabha. Atish Srivastav, associate editor, now joining us. Atish, the BJP stepping up the ante, ensuring that the Congress government has to come up with answers. They're demanding a probe as well.
Well, exactly, Aditya. BJP is not going to let this issue go off. FDI may have been cleared by voting in both the houses, but the controversy has yet to be cleared by Congress Party and BJP, because BJP is of the view that they have moved the suspension of question hour in both the houses. Yashwant Sinha will be moving the notice in Lok Sabha, and Venkaiah Naidu will be moving the notice in Rajya Sabha. So they are of the view that this is a golden opportunity which they've got yet again. And they've got now enough ammunition to beat the Congress with. They believe that lobbying was done, which has been accepted by Walmart in US Senate. But who all benefited out of that lobbying? And this vindicates the stand of BJP, that they've been saying that this entire FDI in retail process, which was hurried up, was done under pressure of US.
And that's the thing, Atish, that it really pushes up the pressure on the government as well. When you look at beneficiaries, Sitaram Yechury also coming out yesterday, left leaders saying that lobbying may be allowed in the US, not here in the India. Who are the ones who benefited? We're not making direct allegations, but let there be a probe. The government, in that sense, not being accused directly, but now have to open themselves up to a probe.
The pressure is definitely on them, because now today both the houses, as we expect, there can be a ruckus in both the houses as far as Walmart lobbying matter is concerned. And BJP is of the view that there should be independent investigation into the allegation and into the acceptance of Walmart using almost 125 crore in lobbying in countries like India. So obviously these are serious issues that BJP would not like to give away.
Alright, Atish Srivastav will continue tracking developments. Remember, there was a planned meeting of the BJP Parliamentary Party, L.K. Advani addressing and chairing that meeting. The decision that taken, that this will be taken forward. The Congress will not be let off so easily. The disclosure about Walmart spending $25 million on lobbying in the US to get the Obama administration to pressure India on FDI in retail has now triggered a massive political storm. The opposition is stepping up the pressure. We just broke to you details of what their strategy is going to be as far as the Prime Minister's clarification on the issue is concerned, as far as opening the government and other leaders to a probe is concerned. The BJP, already demanding an investigation into the alleged spending by Walmart in India, has also sought an explanation from the Prime Minister. The BJP wants the Prime Minister to make a statement on the issue in Parliament, as the party feels that the reports on lobbying are very serious and raise questions on the country's image. Narendra Modi, Gujarat Chief Minister as well, has trained his guns on the Prime Minister, asking him to name the people in India who benefited from the deal. The Rajya Sabha repeatedly disrupted yesterday, with opposition parties demanding an independent probe into the allegations of bribery, and with the issue refusing to die down. Let's actually play out reactions coming out on the issue.
तो इसलिए वो महत्वपूर्ण विषय है, गंभीर मामला है, इसलिए सदन इसके बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए, सरकार उसके बारे में स्पष्टीकरण देना चाहिए और एक स्वतंत्र एजेंसी से जांच करना चाहिए। हमने क्वेश्चन आवर सस्पेंशन के लिए नोटिस दिया है दोनों सदनों में। हम इश्यू को उठाएंगे और सरकार से समाधान मांगेंगे। और जो सरकार जो तर्क दे रहे हैं वो बेकार है। सरकार कह रहे पैसा अमेरिका में खर्च किया, अमेरिका में इंडिया में लॉबिंग करने के लिए क्या अमेरिकन सरकार ने कुछ दबाव डाला क्या इंडियन सरकार के ऊपर? सहज रूप में सवाल आता है। इसलिए सभी पहलुओं के बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए, कारण क्या ये पार्लियामेंट का प्रतिष्ठा का सवाल है और देश का प्रतिष्ठा की सवाल है। ये केवल सिंपल पैरवी नहीं तो लॉबिंग जिसको कहते हैं ना, अमेरिका में अलाउड है। इंडिया में लॉबिंग माने ब्राइबरी होता है, इसलिए ब्राइबरी किसको कितना पैसा दिया, और साथ ही साथ वॉलमार्ट ने अपना इंटरनल इंक्वायरी भी कर रहे और ब्राइबरी के चार्ज के संदर्भ में यहाँ कोर्ट में केस भी चल रहा है। इसलिए गंभीर मामला है, इसलिए इस मामला को हम उठाएंगे। इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस इश्यू दैट द Walmart has given a disclosure report to the US Senate disclosing that they have spent 125 crore rupees with regard to lobbying for the Walmart and its business interest. In that, they have admitted that they have spent good amount of money for lobbying in India for discussions on FDI. So that means it is very clear that they have tried to influence. Whom they have tried to influence, that is a matter to be probed. That's why we want to raise this issue in Parliament today. We have given a notice for suspension of question hour. It's a very important issue because it will damage the image of Parliament also. And moreover, we are making this demand in the backdrop of some people opposing FDI in retail while in opposition and again suddenly supporting it. Some people calling it as foreign direct invasion and then later supporting it. So naturally there will be suspicion in the minds of the people. That's why in order to clear all the suspicion, better to have an independent inquiry. Let us reach the bottom of the truth and so that the image of the Parliament also can be intact.
सर बीएसपी का ये कहना है कि पिछले सेशन में कोल के इशू को लेकर ये मामला जो रिजर्वेशन वाला मैटर था वो दबा दिया गया और अब जो है इस बार उन्होंने कोई बात नहीं की बीजेपी जो है अब
वेल में कौन जा रहे हैं? बीएसपी के सहयोगी, कांग्रेस को समर्थन करने वाले, समाजवादी पार्टी जा रहे, वो दोनों यूपीए को समर्थन कर रहे। सो यूपीए से बातचीत करके इश्यू को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए प्रयास करना चाहिए। बीएसपी को छोड़ के बीजेपी के ऊपर आलोचना करने में कोई मतलब नहीं है। हमारा नियत क्या है पूरा देश को मालूम है। हमने श्रीमान अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के जमाने में हमने खुद लाया ये ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम पंच, जिनका जमाने में इश्यू किया है, उसी का जमाने में कांग्रेस पार्टी सपोर्ट कर रहे थे उस समय। उस सरकार में बीजेपी नहीं था। फिर बाद में जब बीजेपी आए तो बीजेपी ने तो करके दिखाया। अभी सवाल इतना है, अभी देश का प्रतिष्ठा का सवाल है, पार्लियामेंट का प्रतिष्ठा का सवाल है। गंभीर आरोप आया, इसके ऊपर बहस होना चाहिए। किसके बारे में बहस करना हम तय करेंगे, बीएसपी तय करेंगे।
Venkaiah Naidu, they're reacting and also talking about demanding that probe as far as Walmart is concerned, pointing out that there is an internal inquiry that is going on within Walmart as well. He's saying that they want a clarification. They want the BJP, the opposition wants the Prime Minister to come out and clarify just who benefited from this lobbying as far as Walmart is concerned. Now let's also bring to you the other side of the story. The US has also come out in defense of Walmart, saying that the company has not violated any law in the US by lobbying. Now State Department spokesperson Victoria Nuland has said, on the US side, I don't have any reason to believe that we have a violation of US law here. The Lobby Disclosure Act of 1995 and the Honest Leadership and Open Government Act of 2007 requires lobbyists for any company or organization to disclose its activities in a periodic report to the Congress. So the US clarifying its stance, saying that they haven't broken any laws.